he would actually pardon Edward Snowden. I know that there was a rumor, some speculation that was going on, taking place earlier today, that he may actually do that with Julian Assange, which we had a long discussion about that earlier. Not quite sure what that, I don't know. I mean, with Assange, I think that his actions endanger the lives of our active duty military. And there were a lot of things that had to be changed last minute. We've discussed this before. Snowden, I don't know that I would classify him as a whistleblower. I mean, when you look at all of the classified information that was leaked. For this, and then of course we have some new headlines about China, and then of course Iran as well. We turn to our friend, our very good friend, Stephen Yates, who's always been so generous at this time, joining us from an undisclosed location that may or may not be beachside. And he is with the DC International Advisory, having formerly advised former VP Dick Cheney. And congratulations on the personal news regarding the engagement. Congratulations. What a great way to, that's a wonderful way to finish out such a horrible year, is to have great news like that. So congrats.
One thumbs up in 2020.
Yes, there you go. We got our good news out of 2020, so that's wonderful. I have to ask you about what the likelihood, your opinion of the likelihood that Trump would offer, because this has been the hot rumor going around this morning, is that maybe Snowden, maybe Assange would receive a pardon from President Trump, which I don't know if I see that happening. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, all of this comes down to the personal judgment of the president. At the end of every administration, there is sort of like an air traffic control of these places.
I had the 2 McDoubles.
2 McDoubles, no onions, no pickles, and ketchup.
No, extra onions.
Extra onions, extra. Okay. And that's on both of them, right?
Yeah, it was no pickles, extra onions, extra ketchup. Yes, ma'am.
684.
And he's the only commander-in-chief. He can do it if he wants to.
Yeah.
But there was a lot of collateral damage to these disclosures that go way beyond the Iraq theater or the Afghanistan theater in all of these kinds of leaks. There are people who worked with the United States in sensitive parts of the world who were jailed and killed and livelihoods destroyed. All kinds of things happened, and there was never any coverage of that. There was only coverage of sort of the sensational focus of the initial disclosure. The ripple rings never really got taken into consideration. And if you cared about the collateral damage of the invasion of Iraq, which President Trump made very clear he didn't agree with, and a lot of the country doesn't agree with in retrospect, fair point, but they're not really thinking about these ripple rings, that there were lives lost and interests damaged that really are of a magnitude that I can't look at.
Looking at China, another citizen detained last week. This individual, he's fan and journalist, actually worked with Bloomberg, as I understand it. Was in, I believe it was the Beijing office. A foreign correspondents club in China expressed solidarity